Hi guys, this is mamTa. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with this makeup look right here, perfect for Christmas. So if you guys want to know how I get this look, then please keep on watching. So I already moisturized and primed my face. So for the foundation, I'm going to use my Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation, and it's on the shade 130. So to blend this foundation, I'm going to take my Wet Beauty blender. So now I'm going to take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer to conceal plus highlight my face, especially my under eye area, forehead, nose, and a little bit on my chin as well. And again, I'm going to take my trusty beauty blender to blend it all. So now to set my face and avoid that crease line under my eye area, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier setting powder. So to contour my face, I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer, especially my cheekbone and my nose. And if you guys think like it's too much, then you can totally skip this part. So now to bring that young and fresh look, I'm going to use this Dandelion blusher from Benefit. So now I'm going to highlight my face using this Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette, especially on my cheekbone, brow bone, nose, and a little bit on my cupid's bow and chin as well. So for my brow, I'm going to take this cream gel brow from Benefit, and I'm going to fill brush shape my brow like as usual. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Huda Beauty Texture eyeshadow palette and taking this henna as my transition color. So now I'm going to take this Bossy from same eyeshadow palette in my small blending brush and creating that fake crease line which I don't have, and also focusing on my outer and inner corner as well. So here I'm using my concealer as a base for my next color. So now I'm going to take this color from same eyeshadow palette in my small blending brush and blending three color really well so that it looks seamless and beautiful. So now I'm going to spray some MAC Fix spray in my flat eyeshadow brush, and using that same brush I'm going to pick that rose gold from same eyeshadow palette as my lid color. So now I'm going to take this Angelic from same eyeshadow palette to highlight my inner corners. So now I'm going to take this glitter from NYX to make this look more glittery. And for my liner, as always, I'm using my Maybelline Hyper Soft liner. So my lashes are on, and for my lash line, I'm going to use that same color and adding a little bit of black color just to give that smoky effect. So for my lips, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. So here we go guys, this is our final look. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.